Hello, welcome. I'm Janelle and this is Redefy Decor. This video, I'm taking a little bit of old, a little bit of new, and making a sitting standing desk that's automatic and it has drawers for under $200 because a desk needs drawers. Because what is a desk without a drawers? Just a table. Alright, let's get to the video. So I got this desk off Facebook for $20. And with COVID prices on desks, that's still a pretty good deal. Even this desk that's really used. I know the top looks pretty rough, but I'm going to eventually cover it up with an IKEA top that I got for $10. For this sitting standing desk, I really only need the top drawers. So I'm just going to remove the bottom drawers. I might save them for later because you never know when you're going to need drawers. With a little bit of assistance, I got the desk on its back so I can start cutting off the excess pieces of wood. I cut right above the highest hanging drawer so it won't bang my leg and it gives like a little bit of a floating appearance. Then I started building the mechanical legs. I got them from Amazon on sale for $110. It only took me about an hour to build the whole thing by myself. I had to create these wooden brackets because the mechanical legs aren't wide enough to hold the desk. This is what it looks like with the bracket attached to the underside of the desk. I threw on the desktop to the mechanical legs and screwed those in. Then I took the used IKEA top I got for $10, threw that on top, and then I just adjusted to figure out how much overhang I wanted or needed. The IKEA top was like 3 feet too long, so I had to get in and cut that sucker. Carpentry is much like cooking. It's better to clean it as you go instead of waiting to the finished product and then try to clean. I sanded the fresh cut with a medium grit and then went back in with a 220 grit to give it a smooth finish. Then I made sure to round the edges because I'm clumsy and I don't want any cuts or bruises. Broke girl tip: instead of buying veneer or vinyl to put at the end, you can use spray paint with the same color and finish and then just use your brush to go in for details. This will give you a finished look without having that finished price. Since most spray paints already have primer, this technique definitely saves you on time and money. This is a great technique for personal use, especially. I repurposed the trim from the old desk by spray painting it, and then I went in, screwed it in from the inside. Then I also screwed the IKEA top from the inside. While under the desk, I actually screwed in the wire holder that actually came with the metal legs. I purchased 2 desk hole covers from Amazon that I'm going to be placing right on top that wire holder. I had to drill holes through both the IKEA top and the desktop. This was probably the hardest part of the whole project. At one point my drill was smoking, but persistence, I got the job done. And it looks amazing, and it's going to be perfect for this as my DIY desk, so I can just have my hot glue gun going straight through those holes, plugged in, no mess. Thank you for watching, and I totally get it. You can't subscribe after watching one video or 10 seconds, because subscribing is a commitment. I understand commitments. So go watch more videos, get to know me, and then comment below so I can get to know you. Alright, have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye.